凉快，凉快，凉快。
Pleasantly cool.
Pleasantly cool.
进入秋天，天气越来越凉快。进入秋天，天气越来越凉快。进入秋天，天气越来越凉快。
Entering autumn, the weather is getting cooler and cooler.
Entering autumn, the weather is getting cooler and cooler.
走在沙滩上，微风轻轻吹来，让人很凉快。走在沙滩上，微风轻轻吹来，让人很凉快。走在沙滩上，微风轻轻吹来，让人很凉快。
Walking on the beach, the breeze blows gently, which makes people cool.
Walking on the beach, the breeze blows gently, which makes people cool.
打开空调，房间里凉快多了。打开空调，房间里凉快多了。打开空调，房间里凉快多了。
Turn on the air conditioner and the room is much cooler.
Turn on the air conditioner and the room is much cooler.
热闹，热闹，热闹。
Lively. Busy. Bustling with noise.
Lively. Busy. Bustling with noise.
这家茶馆非常热闹。这家茶馆非常热闹。这家茶馆非常热闹。
This tea house is very lively.
This tea house is very lively.
他喜欢一个人走在热闹的街上。他喜欢一个人走在热闹的街上。他喜欢一个人走在热闹的街上。
He likes to walk alone in the busy streets.
He likes to walk alone in the busy streets.
商场里面有好多人，特别热闹。商场里面有好多人，特别热闹。商场里面有好多人，特别热闹。
There are many people in the mall, which is very lively.
There are many people in the mall, which is very lively.
云，云，云。
Cloud.
Cloud.
你看，天上的云多漂亮。你看，天上的云多漂亮。你看，天上的云多漂亮。
Look how beautiful the clouds in the sky are.
Look how beautiful the clouds in the sky are.
天空中有很多乌云，肯定会下雨。天空中有很多乌云，肯定会下雨。天空中有很多乌云，肯定会下雨。
There are many dark clouds in the sky and it will definitely rain.
There are many dark clouds in the sky and it will definitely rain.
这朵白云看起来像雪白的小狗。这朵白云看起来像雪白的小狗。这朵白云看起来像雪白的小狗。
This white cloud looks like a snow white puppy.
This white cloud looks like a snow white puppy.
广播，广播，广播。
Radio broadcast.
Radio broadcast.
刚才听广播说今天下午可能会下大雨。刚才听广播说今天下午可能会下大雨。刚才听广播说今天下午可能会下大雨。
I just heard on the radio that it might rain heavily this afternoon.
I just heard on the radio that it might rain heavily this afternoon.
我每天都会听电台广播。 我每天都会听电台广播。我每天都会听电台广播。
I listen to the radio every day.
I listen to the radio every day.
你可以在手机上收听广播。你可以在手机上收听广播。你可以在手机上收听广播。
You can listen to the radio on your cell phone.
You can listen to the radio on your cell phone.
照。照。照。
Take a picture.
Take a picture.
我来给大家照相吧。我来给大家照相吧。我来给大家照相吧。
Let me take pictures for you all.
Let me take pictures for you all.
这里的风景很美，我想多照点这里的照片。这里的风景很美，我想多照点这里的照片。这里的风景很美，我想多照点这里的照片。
The scenery here is beautiful. I want to take more photos here.
The scenery here is beautiful. I want to take more photos here.
你能借我你的数码照相机吗？你能借我你的数码照相机吗？你能借我你的数码照相机吗？
Can you lend me your digital camera?
Can you lend me your digital camera?
到。到。到。
Yet. Actually. Used to express contrast.
Yet. Actually. Used to express contrast.
你说的倒是简单，做起来可就复杂了。你说的倒是简单，做起来可就复杂了。你说的倒是简单，做起来可就复杂了。
You say it's simple, but it's more complicated to do.
You say it's simple, but it's more complicated to do.
我们不去爬山，去游泳怎么样？我们不去爬山，去游泳怎么样？我们不去爬山，去游泳怎么样？
Instead of going hiking, how about we go swimming?
Instead of going hiking, how about we go swimming?
那倒是个好主意。那倒是个好主意。那倒是个好主意。
That's a good idea.
That's a good idea.
你想得到容易，实际上不是那回事。你想得到容易，实际上不是那回事。你想得到容易，实际上不是那回事。
It's easy for you to think, but it's actually not the case.
It's easy for you to think, but it's actually not the case.
谢谢观看。